Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into the latest update on Discord and show you how to edit your About Me section right on your PC. This is a great way to personalize your profile and let your friends know a little more about you. So, let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open Discord on your PC. Make sure you're logged in so we can access your account settings. Next, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You should see a small gear icon next to your username. Go ahead and click on that to open your user settings. Once you're in the settings menu, find and click on My Account. This section contains all the essential details about your Discord account. Now here comes the fun part. Look for the option that says Edit User Profile. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a page where you can customize various aspects of your profile. As you scroll down, you'll see the About Me section. Here, you can write whatever you'd like. Share your interests, hobbies, or simply a fun fact about yourself. Just type in your desired text, and when you're happy with it, don't forget to hit the Save Changes button. And that's it. You've just updated your About Me section on Discord. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and updates. See you in the next one.